Hello, everyone. From my first magicweb.com, making this quick video about CAD Index and USD Index because it's 9:15 a.m. and we have at 10 o'clock and 10:30, 10 o'clock CAD and USD, and 10:30 again, another red news for USD. So let's see how we can wrap it up and what we can expect. This is CAD Index. This is how it looks like, and it looks very bullish to me. The last 3 months, you can see that we are in this range. The last 2 months, we went up, came down in between these two numbers here. It's 57.51 to the upside, 54.78 to the downside. We bounce again this week, this month, and we are up there again at 57.51. Weekly chart shows like this. So the last week, not last week's actually, the current week, you can see we bounced exactly from this 55.77, and then we went up, and this is the number again in question, 57.51. So the news comes out, and if we go above 57.51, it is going to the upside then definitely, and it will be going somewhere the upper level here, one of the 58.93. Okay, so this is here, I think this is the one. Yeah, 58.93. That's a monthly low. I should write here 58.93 would be the next one. 58.93. There we go. Right. We can only speculate, and then we can be ready for both sides. It doesn't matter, right? Which way it goes. We have a harmonic, not a magic IB system, 20-minute chart. Watch it. Open the profile, CAD pairs and index together, and then at the time of the news, just watch where the CAD index 7-minute chart, maybe, or 20-minute. And in that profile, I usually have 7-minute chart. Just to see the quick reaction where the heck it's going, and then where the heck the pairs are going, and then you can go on the other screen, if you have if you want to make a 7-minute entry or 20-minute later on. So that's how we should be, and then everything is covered. So CAD index, this is how it looks like here. I think all in all, I think it's bullish, and it's probably going to bounce more and then go 58.93 and more. Let's see. If not, it's going to come down, then it must go down. So I dropped my keyboard. What the heck? All right, anyway, that was another computer keyboard, not this one, not the one I'm using. So I'll pick it up later. So this is how the CAD index looks like, right? In the 40-minute chart, I had this chart made like this. That's going to go up. So it went up, right? I was expecting that from a little bounce from 61%. It went up. It went above 23% now, and that's why I'm saying that usually from 61 back to 23 and then 78 to make a girdle pattern. You make the turn from 23, but we are in this case above 23, and more chances are that we're going to go up. But you never know, right? Yesterday somebody was asking, what do you think the gold is going to go to 1900? How do I know? I mean, nobody knows. Nobody. We can speculate, and the next thing you know, there's something else happened in the market, and then boom, everything drops, right? This what is that? What's the name of this new virus? Omicron, right? Omicron, right? So that's that came out, market crashed. Any news can do the job, and then so we have to pay attention to the news, the fundies. But what we don't need to know what are they, just the timing, and then watch the reaction on the charts here in the technical analysis. So wherever whatever the reaction is, then we're gonna follow that. That's all, right? So just be prepared. The idea is to be prepared if it is going up, where the heck we're gonna go, and if it is coming down. So we have two levels here. To the upside, 58.93 and up. To the downside, 54.73, 78 and down. Right? How hard it is to understand this, and then look at the 20-minute chart, refresh it, and then see, where the heck it's going. It's very easy. So let me just refresh it and see, because it looks like weird to me. Oh, come on. Okay, here. And no, that's it, the big move, and that's why you see the CAD pairs went bazooka, yesterday, like Euro CAD, boom, went down, and USD CAD went down, and all of that. So because CAD got very strong, right? In last couple of days, it's been getting strong. And that was my idea. Let me see if I can show you quickly my chart that I made. CADX, that was weekly, I guess. No, 40 minutes, right? Oh, what the heck? Oh, it will pop up anyway. Here. This is the one. No, this is the after one, man. What's up? You see, this is the chart I made. Hold on just a minute. Let me see if I'm doing okay, here. What I want to see. Okay, recording is in process, so no problem. What the heck did I do? Okay, anyway. So see, this is the chart. No, hold on. I gotta do the sharing on this screen, and then okay. So this is the chart I made, and it is now like this. No, not like this. Sorry, like this, right? So it is going up. So now this is the CAD index. So when the news comes out, just watch what happened, right? And then at the same time, let's go take a look at real quick the USD index. All right, so this is the head and shoulder pattern that I made the other day, and then it is, it start dropping here and then got stopped here. This is the weekly chart showing like that. And I made it on the 7th of December, and today's it. I refreshed it. In fact, I made it like 2 days ago, last week sometimes, right? That we're gonna stop here at 38% and then drop. This is right now, the current candle is black. So today's news, let's see, we might just drop from here, and then if that happens, we have several opportunities in hand. This is what's going to happen. So be ready for these things. And at 10 o'clock, you can open the CAD index, right? And then watch that for the CAD pairs, USD CAD, CAD yen, especially, right? It's been flying. And I had a small 50 pip trade, and after that I got involved with other pairs, so I forget it. It's so many opportunities, to be honest with you. You see, pound Nuzi was dropping, euro Nuzi. It's all over the place. The trades. You had, and then I had several of them already, even Bitcoin and this and that. So only you can only catch few, right? Not all of them. So yeah, CAD yen was the good one. It went up big time. I had only one trade, but and then I closed too early, and the hell with it. I'll go look somewhere else. So now we have opportunity: CAD index, CAD news, and this USD index and USD news, right? So let's do it and take the trades, and then after the news, and then show me. All right. And how do you open the trade? The profile. If you have forgotten this, for example, CAD. I have a CAD one on this computer. I don't know. Let me see. I have CAD index. I don't. Forget it, man. Let me just show you the US dollar thing, and then you can make the other yourself, right? If you make the CAD index and the pairs profile. This is yen. What the heck is CAD? Probably didn't make it, or I can't find it right now. But the US dollar index, right? Okay, here. So make the index like this for 6 windows, 6 small windows, and I've given you guys the video, right? You have the video for that, and that way you can watch here. This is, don't be afraid of looking at the 7-minute and 30-minute chart, because this is the old one. And all I watch is that, not the 7-minute, but sorry, not the 33-minute, but I just want the 7-minute. That's it. So just to see that quickly what happens, right? 7-minute moves fast, right? So after the news, Euro USD if USD news comes out, and for example, I'm not going to refresh because the time is not. So this is right now bearish right now, right? If the US dollar gets strong, it's going to drop here, right? And at the same time, Euro USD will drop, Pound USD will drop, and at the same time, I will see that USD CAD is going up, right? And then USD getting a strong or weak, I can watch the 7-minute chart. What the heck here, right? So if it start getting strong, it's gonna pop and then go to the upside, start going to the upside, and then these pair will react accordingly. And you simply take the trade when you have a setup. Keep refreshing the charts, by the way, right? So this is it. I'm gonna close it and try to send out as soon as possible.